Now I am going to visualize the technology will change the world in future while there are concerns about workforce impact. There is a little doubt that 2020 will be a time of innovation as people have a better technology. Okay, before we are going to our topic, I just like to explain what is technology. Even though all of us having a better knowledge about technology, I will give you a best definition about it. It is a study and transformation of technologies, tools and machines created by the humans. It also allows to study and evaluate the physical elements that are present in their lives. There are 10 technologies trends in this modern era. The first one is the artificial intelligence, blockchain, augmented and virtual reality, cognitive cloud computing, Angular React, DevOps, Internet of Things, intelligent apps, that is IApps, big data, and finally robotic process automation. It's shortly called RPA. Now we are going to explain about artificial intelligence. It has existed even before the internet was born, but it is now that the data processing and compute powered backbone became strong enough to sustain an entire technology by itself. Artificial intelligence is everywhere today, from your smartphone to your cars, to your home to your banking establishment. There are some of the type of artificial intelligence in this screen. First one is reactive machines, second limited memory, third theory of mind, and finally self-awareness. Next we move on to the second one, that is blockchain. This is a technology that powers bitcoins, the whole new parallel currency that has taken over the world. Interestingly saying, blockchain as a technology that far-reaching potential in everything from healthcare to elections, real estate and new enforcement also. This illustrates clearly shows the futures and domains to the blockchain. Next, we move on to the interesting topic, that is virtual and augmented reality. Virtual is real. VR and AR, the twin technologies that let you experience things in virtual that are extremely close to real, are today being used by the businesses of all sizes and shapes. But underlying technology can be quite complex. Medical students use AR technology to practice surgery in a controlled environment. On the other hand, VR opens up newer avenues for gaming and interactive marketing. Next one is cognitive cloud computing. It is an extended ecosystem of traditional cloud on cognitive computing. It covers in human languages and helps experts in better decisions making by understanding the complexity of big data. Its market size is expected to generate revenue of $13.8 billion by 2020 and is one of the top 10 trending technologies to consider in this year. Big brands such as IBM, Google, Microsoft, Cisco have already started implementing this next generation technology to gear up for the upcoming market. Okay, now we are getting into a core tech, that is Angular and Reactive. Angular and React are JavaScript based framework for creating modern web applications. Using React and Angular, one can create a highly modular web app. So you do not need to go through a lot of changes in your code base for adding a new feature. This is and next we say about DevOps. This is the odd one out in this list. It is not a technology, but it is a methodology. DevOps is a methodology that ensures that both the development and operation go hand in hand. DevOps cycle is practiced as an infinite loop representing the integration of developers and operation terms by automatic infrastructures like workflows and continuously measuring application performance. This shows the features and popular tools of DevOps. The next one is Internet of Things. A Internet of Things is a giant network of connecting devices, all of which gather and share data about how they are used and the environment in which they are operated. Internet of Things is connecting many devices and creating a visual network where everything works seamlessly via a single monitoring center of sort. Next one is iApps. iApp means intelligent apps. Intelligent apps are pieces of software written for mobile devices based on the artificial intelligence and machine learning technology aimed at marketing everyday tasks easier. This involves tasks like organizing, scheduling, meeting, logging, interactions, content, etc. As their application becomes more popular, they will come with the promise of jobs and flat paybacks. The next one is the big data. Big data refers to problems that are associated with processing and storing different type of data. Most of the companies today rely on big data analytics to gain huge insight about their customers, product research and marketing initiatives and many more. Oh, the last one is robotic process and automation. This is the final one. Generally, any desk job is an industry involves tasks that are repetitive in nature and can be automated. It also you to automate such routine and repetitive tasks. You need not to write any code to automate repetitive tasks. If you take a look on this, you get a three tools implemented robotic process automation. And finally, I conclude there are clearly both pros and cons of adolescent technology use. The fact is, it is important for adolescents to learn and understand technology. It's become a part of daily life for all peoples to use a computer or a cell phone. It is necessary in most situations, especially for when they are older and have jobs. However, technologies we must not be excessive. Extreme technological uses adolescent can cause all sort of problems like socially and physically. It is important for adolescents to understand that yes, technology is an amazing thing, but at the same time it should not be used all of the time. They should not be overly dependent on it. We also want to know sometimes technology is not the right answer for the situation. Finally, I conclude my presentation by this quote: Science is a good servant, but it is a bad master. Thank you. Thanks for watching my small presentation on Sahai. I thank you all my teachers and friends to give this opportunity to share my thoughts about creative technology in this modern world.